Hello students. So today we are going to start with standard 6 lesson number 8, that is our skeletal system and skin. So we'll begin with the very first topic of our lesson. Students, before starting, I'd like you to know that we had already studied about internal organs and our body in previous chapters and previous standards. Now we are going to start with something more in detail. For example, there are various organs which are situated within the body cavity. The human skeleton is a protective shell for all these internal organs. Now, we have also noticed that sometimes when we fall by playing by accident, or when your friend fell down or something happens and they broke their leg or arm, you call that broken bone as fracture. A fracture in a bone becomes severe and unbearable pain, and the part with the broken bone swells immediately. Now, what you should do when you fall or when you get a fracture? You should go to a hospital as soon as possible, and you should immediately take an X-ray image. Now, X-ray was discovered by Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen. Now, what happens when you take a X-ray? Where the X-ray image shows whether a bone is broken, and also it shows the exact spot where it is broken. This helps in providing the proper treatment. Now, bones are of 4 types. First is flat bone, second is small bones, third is irregular bones, and fourth is long bones. You can see them on your screen and also in your textbook. Next, we have the human skeletal system. Now students, all the bones in our body are not of same shape. Every bone is different from the previous one. Now all these bones together form a framework, or you can call as skeleton. The skeleton basically gives a shape to your body. All the bones of the body along with cartilage together form the skeletal system. Bones are hard, they are not flexible. You cannot twist or turn your bones. You can twist and turns because there are joints also, but the whole bone you cannot twist or you cannot break it into pieces, correct? Bones are composed of 2 main constituents. Bone cells are biotic, while calcium carbonate, calcium phosphate, minerals and salts are all the abiotic constituents of bones. Calcium imparts strength to the bones. Now next we are having one activity to do. You have to take a measuring tape and measure all the bones of your body. What you will see that all the bones are of not same length. They are differing from one another. Their length are different. Now the human skeletal system is also divided into 2 parts. First part is the axial skeleton and the second one is the appendicular skeleton. Now students, the axial skeleton consists of the skull. Skull means your head, okay? Your skull, then spine matlab backbone, and your rib cage. These are situated symmetrically along the central vertical axis of the body. In short, if I can say you, it is in the front part of your body. Your skull, your rib cage, your spine, everything is in the center, okay? That comes into your axial skeleton. Now appendicular skeleton is basically made of bones on sides, that is your arms and limbs. So the bones of your arms and legs are basically your axial skeleton. Understood, students? So here we are finishing with the first half of our lesson. We'll continue with the later half in our next session. I hope you understood well. Till then, thank you.